How to use multiple accounts in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp application. After that, launch your WhatsApp. Then tap on the three dot from here. Then go to settings. After that, go to account. And then there you will see an option of add account. Simply tap on it and then you will get a pop-up over here that says add account. Tap on it and then enter your phone number and log in to another account. So that's how you use multiple accounts in your WhatsApp. In some of the devices, this is not available, but if you have this feature available, try it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.